Life is a beautiful journey, filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. In this exciting adventure, it is important to find joy and embrace every moment. One way to do this is by trusting in the wisdom of Proverbs 3 verse 5. This timeless verse encourages us to lean on our faith and trust in the path set before us. By doing so, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities and find true happiness in life. Finding bliss in believing, embracing Proverbs 3 verse 5. In a world that often feels chaotic and uncertain, it can be easy to lose sight of the joy that life has to offer. However, by embracing the wisdom found in Proverbs 3 verse 5, we can find peace and contentment amidst the challenges. This verse reminds us to trust in the Lord with all our hearts and lean not on our own understanding. It encourages us to have faith in the direction life takes us, even when it may seem unclear or difficult. Trusting in Proverbs 3 verse 5 means having the courage to let go of our need for control and instead surrendering ourselves to a higher power. It means recognizing that we may not always have all the answers, but we can find comfort in knowing that there is a divine plan guiding us. By embracing this mindset, we open ourselves up to new experiences, growth, and a deeper appreciation for the journey of life. Embracing life's joys, living Proverbs 3 verse 5. When we fully embrace the message of Proverbs 3 verse 5, we find ourselves living life to the fullest. Instead of worrying about the future or dwelling on the past, we learn to be present in the moment and appreciate the simple joys that surround us. We begin to see each day as a gift, filled with opportunities for growth, love, and happiness. Trusting in Proverbs 3 verse 5 also allows us to let go of fear and embrace a positive mindset. We understand that setbacks and challenges are part of life's journey, but they do not define us. We can approach difficulties with resilience, knowing that we are not alone and that there is a greater purpose behind every experience. By trusting in the divine plan, we can turn obstacles into opportunities and find joy even in the midst of adversity. Embrace life's joyful journey, trusting Proverbs 3 verse 5. As we navigate through the ups and downs of life, let us remember the wisdom found in Proverbs 3 verse 5. By embracing this verse, we can find bliss in believing and trust in the path set before us. Life's journey becomes a joyful adventure filled with opportunities for growth, love, and happiness. Let us have faith in the divine plan, surrender our need for control, and open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Embracing Proverbs 3 verse 5 allows us to live life to the fullest, finding joy in every step along the way.